Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Rizky Apriyani. I'm from Universitas Muhammadiyah Yogyakarta. Today, of the occasion this conference, please let me to present you about my research entitled The Cultural Approach in the Responding to the Crisis of the Public Trust, case study on the Sleman government strategy in encouraging COVID-19 vaccination. The COVID-19 crisis was also exacerbated by the issue of public distrust of 43%, which was caused by the government inconsistency in handling COVID-19 and hoax information that caused uneasiness in the society. Therefore, in conducting crisis communication management, it is necessary to consider aspects of audience culture in implementing and planning communication strategy. The study explains that knowledge of cultural diversity is one of the requirements to enter a society that can be used as a crisis management strategy. The cultural approach to crisis communication management seems to have been successfully carried out by the special region of Yogyakarta, especially on Sleman Regency. This province was declared the fastest in completing the COVID-19 vaccination until 78.03% compared to other districts. Based on the explanation of the problems above, this research will be examined the cultural approach efforts carried out by the Sleman government in the strategy in encouraging COVID-19 vaccination in January until May 2021 period. This study aimed to identify and contribute to any efforts that can be made to gain public trust with a crisis communication approach by the government. We are mapping a literature review about the two topics. The first one, constructing public trust during a pandemic. Build public trust is the most important thing for the government to do, because all social systems in society will be easier to interact with one another. Trust is a form of acceptance of the uncertainty of the situation by placing expectation on trusted individuals of institution. And now about the cultural approach to crisis communication. We use from Combs and Holiday. They said about the S that a crisis is the perception of unexpected event that threatens the crucial expectation of stakeholders regarding health, safety, environmental, and economic issues that seriously have a negative impact. Therefore, a cultural approach is vital to effective crisis management. The significance of the cultural approach lies in the cultural competency of involved stakeholders and the ability to understand diverse culture. So this research can be contribute the academic aspect and have a novelty, especially crisis communication, to build public trust. At the same time, it can also provide recommendation to other local governments to build public trust in the importance of accelerating COVID-19 vaccination through a cultural approach. The method used in this research is case study, with a single case related to vaccination during the socialization period from January 2021 to May 2021, showing an increase in COVID-19 vaccination. Data collecting with in-depth interview with public relation of the district government Sleman DRA Savitri Nurmala Dewi MA. And then for data triangulation, we also carry out with the Sleman community to obtain valid information and data suitability. Secondary data was obtained through the internet and related documents. The data analysis technique used the Miles and Habermas models. So, the result and discussion about this research, we have two sections. The first one, public communication actors in building public trust. Election of district government public relations, Sleman became spokesperson for the COVID-19 task force based on credibility, ability, and expertise in responding to media crews and the public in dealing with COVID-19 and COVID-19 vaccination. In addition, the public relation of the Sleman Regency government explained that the crisis communication strategy in responding to COVID-19 must also involve community and religious leaders. In an effort to establish this collaboration, the public relation of the Sleman Regency government and the field that handle COVID-19 has a WhatsApp group with community leaders every Kapanewon. The collaboration strategy with the leaders of Kapanewon is considered effective in making the public believe in the COVID-19 vaccination compared to reporting only through the media. And then the second section is cultural message of crisis communication related to COVID-19. Sleman Regency has a message of Cita Mas Jaga, cuci tangan, pakai masker, jaga jarak, or we can say washing hands with mask, keep your distance, which is expected to be a message to form a culture of people living habits. Public relation of the Sleman Regency government continues to ask the public to always make a Cita Mas Jaga habit to daily habit without having to be reminded again. In addition, according to her, the culture of pekewo or feeling bad needs to be present if you don't vaccinate. This is because vaccination need to be carried out to provide safety for each other. Public relation of the Sleman Regency government conveyed that the preparation of message to gain public trust must always be consistent and convey elements of Javanese culture in its delivery. Message for the prevention of COVID-19 and vaccination conveyed by community leaders and religious leaders follow the Serawung culture or associations that are usually carried out. So the conclusion about this research based on the result of data collection with the public relation of the Sleman Regency government as well as the spokesperson for the COVID-19 Satgas Sleman Regency government and the Sleman community, we know that the important factor in communicating to the public regarding COVID-19 and vaccination is through a cultural approach. The role of community leaders and message using local language give more value to the public trust in the government, especially in the COVID-19 vaccination policy. A cultural approach is very much needed in assisting government program in the implementation of COVID-19 vaccination. We give recommendation about the strategy with community leaders can provide a sense of security to rural communities because individuals obtain the position of community leaders, their knowledge, wisdom, characters, and success in living in society. Using message with a cultural approach became a habit of giving birth to new habits to warn the people of Sleman regarding the importance of maintaining health protocols and vaccination. That's all about my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.